Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Just how powerful is the Red Magic 11S Pro Plus, currently one of the most powerful gaming smartphones available? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, we're pushing a smartphone to its limits with an extremely demanding stress test to see just how high mobile performance can go.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Before we jump into the testing, let's take a look at the hardware. The Red Magic 11S Pro Plus is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 Leading Edition. This chipset comes from the same family as the Snapdragon 8 Ultra Gen 5, but it uses premium silicon selected from the center of the wafer, where chip quality is at its highest. Its peak clock speed reaches an impressive 4.74 GHz, and it has gone through extensive high-temperature and high-pressure validation to ensure stable performance without throttling, even under extreme conditions. Of course, a powerful processor alone isn't enough. The Red Magic 11S Pro Plus also combines liquid cooling with active air cooling. Red Magic has even integrated the same fluorinated liquid technology used in AI servers into the phone's cooling system. Thanks to this advanced multi-layer thermal design, the device offers some of the strongest heat dissipation capabilities in the smartphone industry, allowing the Snapdragon 8 Ultra Leading Edition to operate at its full potential. Now let's get straight into the performance test. The testing environment was set to a room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, screen brightness fixed at 200 nits, awakening mode enabled, 978p resolution, and very high graphics settings. Throughout the entire test, the map was continuously run during peak activity periods. Under these settings, the Red Magic 11S Pro Plus delivered an average frame rate of 61 FPS over a 30-minute session while consuming 7 watts of power. By the end of the test, the device reached a body temperature of 50.6 degrees Celsius, while the screen measured 50.5 degrees Celsius. Frame pacing remained exceptionally stable, and even the 1% low frame rate stayed at an impressive 59.7 FPS. There are also some interesting details when it comes to performance scheduling. With the help of the Hongxing R4 chip and the Cube Sunny Day game engine, Red Magic achieves highly accurate resource allocation. Looking at CPU behavior, the Prime core frequently spikes all the way to its maximum frequency of 4.74 GHz. This shows that whenever the game encounters a demanding scenario, the system immediately releases maximum performance to eliminate even the slightest stutter. At the same time, maintaining maximum frequency constantly would generate excessive heat and make sustained full-frame gameplay impossible. To prevent this, Red Magic intelligently lowers clock speeds during lighter workloads. In these moments, the Prime core frequency can drop to just 1.2 GHz, while GPU utilization changes accordingly, indicating a reduction in GPU frequency as well. This smart adjustment helps lower overall power consumption and reduces heat buildup during gameplay. Interestingly, the previous generation Red Magic 11 Pro Plus, powered by the standard Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, achieved nearly identical results with the same frame rate and power consumption. So what exactly makes the new generation better? To find out, we had to increase the workload even further. Keeping all other settings unchanged, we activated both the suction connection and the flying flute abilities while running the map. Movement speed instantly increased by 100%, and the dramatic rise in system load was obvious from the gameplay itself. This test was extremely demanding. In fact, most smartphones currently on the market struggle to maintain a full frame rate for even 5 minutes under these conditions. In this scenario, the previous generation Red Magic 11 Pro Plus performed very well, averaging 60.9 FPS while consuming 11.9 watts of power. However, after 18 minutes, the device shut down the test because the system's overheating protection was triggered. To put that into perspective, the battery temperature reached 58 degrees Celsius, the body temperature climbed to 57.9 degrees Celsius, and the screen hit 58.3 degrees Celsius. Yes, those temperatures were incredibly high, and the overheating protection was fully justified. So, with the previous generation unable to survive the test, how did the Red Magic 11S Pro Plus perform? The answer was surprisingly impressive. When we align the timeline to the same 18-minute mark, the Red Magic 11S Pro Plus maintained an average frame rate of 60.6 FPS while drawing only 10.2 watts of power. That represents a significant 14% reduction in power consumption compared to the previous generation.
Under this extreme workload, we were able to see the true strength of the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Elite. Looking at the CPU frequencies, the Ultra version's prime core was still capable of reaching its maximum 4.74 GHz clock speed even during the later stages of the test. In comparison, the standard version was already starting to struggle as the workload continued to increase. Of course, hardware isn't the only reason behind this result. The software scheduling strategy plays an equally important role. The reason this generation manages to reduce power consumption by 1.7 watts under such heavy loads comes down to much smarter and more precise resource management. The biggest improvement can be seen on the GPU side. Compared to the previous generation, the new Red Magic 11S Pro Plus delivers noticeably higher GPU utilization. When we analyze the full frame rate performance, it becomes clear that the GPU is actually running at a lower frequency than before. Lower frequencies means less heat generation, and that's where the optimization shines. When it comes to performance tuning, the smallest details matter. If 90% of the available power is already enough to maintain a full frame rate, there's no reason to push the hardware to 100% all the time. The Red Magic 11S Pro Plus takes advantage of these fine adjustments to improve efficiency, making it capable of handling even the most demanding gaming scenarios for longer periods. At the 18-minute mark, the previous generation model recorded a battery temperature of 58 degrees Celsius. In comparison, the Red Magic 11S Pro Plus reached only 54 degrees Celsius. GPU temperatures were also reduced by an impressive 9 degrees Celsius. Even after crossing the 18-minute point, the Red Magic 11S Pro Plus continued delivering full frame rate for some time. Eventually, however, the battery temperature reached its preset limit of 57 degrees Celsius. At that moment, the system immediately lowered GPU frequencies. As expected, GPU temperatures dropped noticeably. Once the battery cooled back down to 55 degrees Celsius, the phone quickly restored full frame rate performance. Additional testing showed that the device continuously cycled between GPU downclocking, temporary frame rate reduction, and full performance operation. At this stage, this is about as far as smartphone performance can currently go. Thanks to its highly refined scheduling system and industry-leading cooling solution, Red Magic has fully unlocked the potential of the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Elite. As a result, it can maintain full frame rate gaming in roughly 99% of mobile games available today. Any major performance gains from here will largely depend on future improvements from chip manufacturers themselves. Now that we've covered the performance results that most people are curious about, let's talk about a few extra features. The Red Magic 11S Pro Plus supports PC emulators and introduces a new Steam Direct Connect mode, allowing users to enjoy PC games directly on their smartphones. The GameSpace plugin library is also packed with features and provides extensive customization options for different game genres. When you combine those features with the dedicated touch control chip and the shoulder triggers located on both sides of the device, the gaming experience offered by the Red Magic 11S Pro series is hard to match, both in terms of raw performance and control responsiveness.
On top of that, the Red Magic 11S Pro Plus has been selected as the official gaming device for several major esports tournaments, including Crossfire, League of Legends, and various leading FPS, MOBA, and racing game competitions. Keep in mind that these are just my first impressions. A detailed gaming comparison is coming soon, where we'll put it head-to-head against other flagship devices. If you're interested in seeing that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and become part of our tech community. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone!